Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a pedal that's become a modern classic, the Walrus Audio Julia Analog Chorus Vibrato V2. This gray beauty from Walrus Audio is a modulation powerhouse, weighing in at a solid 0.82 pounds and running on standard 9 volts. It's known for its lush, analog tones, and it offers a fantastic range of sound from subtle movement to truly wild textures. Let's break down the controls, because that's where the magic happens with the Julia. First up, you have the rate knob. This sets the speed of the LFO sweep. At lower settings, you get a gentle, almost imperceptible sway, perfect for adding a bit of dimension without being distracting. As you turn up, things get faster, leading to those classic warbling sounds and eventually into some really wild, almost seasick modulation at the maximum setting. Next to that is the depth knob. This controls the amplitude of the LFO, essentially how intense the modulation is. All the way down, there's no movement at all. As you increase the depth, the sweep becomes more pronounced, giving you those deep, rich modulation effects. It works in tandem with the rate to sculpt the overall character of the effect. Now, one of the things that really sets the Julia apart is the lag knob. This is a unique control that lets you set the center delay time that the LFO modulates around. It adds a whole new dimension to the traditional chorus and vibrato sounds. At lower settings, the modulation feels smooth and tight. But as you crank the lag, it introduces a noisy, almost nauseating detune effect. It's a control that really allows you to push the boundaries of what you expect from a chorus or vibrato pedal. You also have a wave switch, which is a simple but crucial toggle. It lets you select between a sine wave and a triangle wave LFO. The triangle wave has sharper corners, and it generally sounds more appealing for traditional chorus effects, giving you that distinct pulsing sound. The sine wave, with its rounder shape, tends to sound better for vibrato-type effects, providing a smoother, more fluid modulation. Experimenting with this switch in combination with the other controls opens up a lot of sonic possibilities. Finally, there's the DCV blend knob. This is your control over the mix of dry and wet signal. At minimum, you hear absolutely no effect, just your dry guitar signal. Turn it up to noon, and you get an equal mix of dry and wet signal, which is the classic setting for a traditional chorus effect, giving you that lush, doubling sound. Push it all the way to maximum, and you get 100% wet signal, which is the traditional setting for a pure vibrato effect, where the pitch is modulated without any dry signal present. This blend control is incredibly versatile, allowing you to dial in anything from subtle enhancement to full-on pitch-bending vibrato. The Walrus Audio Julia V2 is a fantastic analog modulation pedal. Its combination of classic controls and a unique lag knob makes it incredibly flexible, capable of delivering everything from subtle, watery textures to intense, warbling detune. It's easy to see why it's become such a popular choice for players looking for high-quality analog chorus and vibrato.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.